And well, listen, we're going to try and get you some money today. We're going to try and get you £20 to spend inside the store. On one condition, because you cook for everybody over Christmas, you've got to treat yourself. Spend it all on things to treat yourself. Well, now telling me that it's true that if you lay a frog at its back and gently caress its belly, you can hypnotise it. Final answer? It's absolutely true, Lorraine! £10 to spend inside our fabulous brand shiny new store. You're very welcome. Fabulous nails.
I'll be very quick because I know you're interested in other things this morning. The Mayor's indisposed, so I've been asked to fill in. Really huge warm welcome to Poundstretcher. It's great news, great news. I'm really pleased that we've been able to fill the building so quickly, but I think that's an indication of actually how strong Crawley Town Centre is and how people want to trade here. So welcome to Poundstretcher. Good luck everyone. I've had a quick look inside, it looks good to me. Take care. Bye.
3, 2, 1. Cut the ribbon, scream, shout, cheer, the brand shiny new Poundstretcher here in Crawley is now open. Come inside everybody and check out our fabulous January sale. This is indeed the happiest place in town today. Well done to all of our lucky winners this morning. Well done to Betty and Kathleen for from the Easter team, 60 seconds to download our brand shiny new store for their feedback charity. Please do check them out on social.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I'm here, lovely to see that. Sorry, darling.
They might do, I don't know what
Bye-bye.